Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramator Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about Artemisia arborescens, which is a striking and aromatic shrub that brings an unmistakable silvery shimmer to any garden. Native to the Mediterranean region, this evergreen perennial is known for its soft, finely divided foliage that looks almost like silver lace in the sunlight. It's a plant that not only holds its own as a centerpiece, but also enhances the colors and textures of everything around it. The beauty of Artemisia arborescens goes beyond looks. One interesting fact is its long-standing reputation in traditional herbal practices and natural pest control. While it isn't typically eaten, the plant's fragrant oils have been used for centuries to repel insects and soothe skin. Its powerful aroma is unmistakable, camphor-like, clean, and invigorating, which makes it a favorite for those who love sensory gardens or want a natural pest deterrent near patios or walkways. What truly makes Artemisia stand out is its resilience. It thrives in full sun, dry conditions, or even poor soils, as long as the drainage is good. Once established, it's incredibly drought tolerant, making it a smart pick for xeriscaping or low maintenance borders. It can reach 3 to 5 feet tall and wide, forming a soft, mounded shrub that dances in the wind. Despite its delicate appearance, it's tough, able to withstand salty breezes and hot, dry summers with grace. If you're growing it in cooler climates, treat it as a tender perennial or overwinter indoors. In containers, it performs just as beautifully, provided it gets plenty of sun and isn't overwatered. In the ground, prune it back in early spring to encourage fresh new growth and maintain a compact shape. It rarely needs fertilizing and actually prefers lean soil, making it a true minimalist plant. In terms of companion planting, it pairs beautifully with lavenders, echinacea, sedums, yarrow, and ornamental grasses. Its silvery tone provides a striking contrast to purple, red, and yellow flowers, and also acts as a natural backdrop that highlights brighter colors without competing. And since its scent deters many insects, planted near vegetable beds or outdoor seating areas can serve as a double purpose. While it's not a culinary herb like some of its cousins, Artemisia arborescens still has a respected place in folk medicine and aromatherapy. Historically, it's been used in infusions, balms, and incense. The essential oil extracted from its leaves has antibacterial and anti inflammatory properties, though it should be used with caution due to its potency. It's more commonly appreciated for its aesthetic and aromatic qualities, especially in dry herb arrangements or garden borders. Propagating this plant is easy, just take cuttings in the spring or fall and root them in moist soil or a sandy mix. It's a generous plant that rewards patience with lush, finely textured foliage that softens hard edges and fills in gaps with graceful movement. That wraps up today's plant profile. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant videos. Until next time.